Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about 10% law, ozone depletion, and how to treat our waste. So basically these are the end topics of this chapter. And this particular topic, which is 10% law, it is one of the important topic because here we need to calculate certain sums. That's why. So please do focus upon it. So basically there was a scientist named Raymond Linneman. Here the name is given Raymond Linneman. According to him, whenever there is an energy transformation from one successive trophic level of the ecosystem to the other, some point of energy is being lost in their growth, in the aging process, and some point of energy is only being transferred. So according to him, only 10% of energy is being transferred from one trophic level of organism to the next trophic level. And so it is known as 10% law. And all of the energy transfer in the food chain follows the 10% law, simple terms. Because see, I'll explain you this in a very easy format. You remember we learnt about a chain, food chain? Yeah. So imagine this is a sun. Now, sun has, let's say, sun gives to the plant 1000 joules of energy. Energy is being measured in joules. This is the unit for it, joules. So basically, sun provides 1000 joule energy to the plants, but how much plant is able to grab? Like for example, your mother can cook you 10 rotis, but how much you can absorb it? So might be 2 or 3, not more. Likewise, this is the same protocol followed here. 1000 joules of energy is being provided by sun, but only 1% of the 1000 joule is being absorbed by the plants. So how much it would be? Let's say if I had to calculate 1% of 1000 joule, then from 100, 1%. So therefore from 1000, how much? So 1000 into 1, we cross multiply upon 100. So the amount of energy absorbed by the plants was 10 joule. So here I am writing that out of 1000 joule, plants just absorb 1% of the energy. Now the law of Raymond Linneman starts from here. Now when these plants are being eaten by deer, out of this only 10% of energy is being absorbed. So 10% iska matlab, okay, let me do the calculation for you. So again 100 में से 10%, तो 10 जूल में से कितना? So 10 into 10 upon 100, which is equal to 1. So deer will have 1 joule of energy, right, out of the 10 joule. Now when this deer will be consumed by lion, it will grab 10% of the energy. तो ये 1 जूल एनर्जी का 10% कितना? तो अगेन 100 में से 1%, तो 100 में से 10%, तो 1 जूल पे कितना? सो इट्स 10 upon 100 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 10. So it's 0.1 joule. So this lion will have 0.1 joule of energy. So आपको क्वेश्चन ये पूछी जाएगी कि अगर सन के पास 1000 जूल्स एनर्जी है, तो आपको ये फूड चेन दिया जाएगा, उसमें आपको बताना होगा कि लायन में कितना एनर्जी जाएगा.